Prior to walking through the doors at the Marquis Center, I had experienced a lifetime of dental trauma. My last visit to the dentist, she told me that I would eventually lose my back teeth. When you have the unfortunate mishap of bad teeth, you are physically and emotionally damaged. It's just not physical.
Years of poor dental hygiene choices led me to being 50 years old with a full mouthful of dentures, constantly having to take them out and re-glue them and clean them every time you ate, and just the pure hassle of having to constantly do maintenance on having dentures.
So I never realized how much my teeth were actually affecting my personal life and my career. I had dentures, I had missing teeth, broken teeth. I couldn't smile. It was challenging even to talk to people that I didn't know. I would feel like everybody was staring at my mouth, not at me, not listening to what I said, because I was embarrassed of my mouth. I was embarrassed of my teeth.
You know, I just felt terrible. You know, my days were just not good. You know, I thought, oh, I have to go to a conference. You know, how am I going to do this? You know, do I use my hands some more?
So for me, it was really about quality of life. I decided that it was time to have some permanent, forever teeth. You know, we saw one of the commercials on TV for the Marquis Center, and I immediately called and set up an appointment.
I did not know about the Marquis Center until I saw one of the commercials. And I thought, I'm going to give this place a call, because they said, are you a candidate? And I thought, if ever there was a candidate, it would be me. So I called, and I was really surprised at how welcoming they were to get me in that next day.
You know, I was a little nervous at first coming in, because anytime you say dental anything, it brings up a little fear in a lot of people. But the office was super clean. Everybody was super professional.
She just put us at ease about the whole procedure and you know, how it was going to happen and where. And the cost turned out to be completely worth it, just because of the quality of life that it gave him.
And the staff was absolutely professional, friendly from start to finish. And the whole process has just been wonderful. And now I got forever teeth.
Coming here, you realize that you are going to get better physically and emotionally. And I think that's huge, because they give you so much encouragement, and it really is a successful adventure. That it's just a journey from the minute you walk in the door, and it gets nothing but better from there. After having dental implants, the amazing thing is feeling a mouth full of teeth. Now it has been an amazing test of what you can relearn to do, like talk and eat and sing and be happy, because it really is hard when you have missing teeth and the shame that comes with that.
I know people don't understand that teeth can actually change your life, but I do presentations now. I smile. I talk to big groups of people. I public speak. I make videos because I'm not embarrassed. I'm very, very proud of my smile that I got from Marquis.
You giggle and you laugh and you think, I can go to work and I can talk about food and I can serve food and I can be happy again and throw my head back and laugh like I always feel like I wanted to.
It was definitely worth it. When I got my first pair, I had teeth. It was like, I cried. Both my husband and I cried. Your face lights up when you smile. Having teeth makes you go out more, makes you want to go out more. You know, before I used to go, well, I don't want to go, you know, because then I have to concentrate on my mouth to talk. But now it's nothing. It's no big deal.
Being around my family, they get tickled because they see me laughing again and not dropping my head to cover my teeth, or not putting my hand in front of my face when I laugh. There's a lightness in my step. I feel better about discussing and talking about recipes.
Now with the new teeth, I can eat food. You know, I don't have to worry about what I eat or have to open my mouth. So I'm just so excited.
Confidence level is way up, and I'm just happy.
I'm so proud of him for having this procedure done. It has greatly impacted his life for the better.
The Marquis Center for Dental Implants has incredibly changed my life. My name is Terry, and this is my Marquis smile.
My name is Christine, and the Marquis Center for Dental Implants has changed my life. And this is my Marquis smile.
And this is my Marquis smile.
My name is Stephen, and this is my Marquis smile.